I wanted to wish you all the best, and
Thank you,
I
Nadeem.
want India to progress in the area of sports with all your vision and mission, what you are going to do. And we are going to create a lot of wealth and a lot of champions for our nation in the Olympics with your trainers and everything.
Sure, Nadeem, because my perspective is only one. I am trying to coordinate this mission is not my personal.
Yes.
It is our national mission.
Right.
Although I may be instrumental in doing this,
Right.
but this mission is this is dedicated to the young India, the national this thing, under the leadership of our great Prime Minister, who has been all the time he talks about the developing the sports and insists on Niti Aayog, insists on his Mann Ki Baat,
Yes.
and encouraging them, our CMs.
Yes.
And they are all very keen, and that's why now many CMs are coming up with the new sports policies.
Right.
Right now our government of Telangana is under making, and I am also going to do a bit of from my side and give our university support. Our university have done number of countries sports policy development for long several decades, and successfully those countries have been
I'm very happy to associate with
Oh,
you
my pleasure, Nadeem.
to do some change in the nation. In the
right.
areas of health and wellness.
We need a young faculty like you, young inspirational sportsmen like you to motivate our young children in the schools, in the academies, and even the Department of Physical Education people, best physical therapists, those who are connected to me for a long time, they are expressing their inclination and to support this cause. Because many people also come to a conclusion, sports means no jobs. It is not like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
As you rightly asked me that question, now if you ask me, IT engineering programs have saturated, but not sports. Sport just it's a beginning. If you look at by 2022.
Yeah, that's what actually the point which I'm trying to bring.
Okay.
In 2000, everybody whichever engineering he has done, they all moved to mechanical engineering, into IT.
Fine.
Because that is the area when it is growing. So today, everybody, whether he's an engineer, doctor, everybody want to come into sports or wellness, because this is a booming industry in the coming years.
Why it is booming? It is something to do with the health.
Absolutely.
If governments invest more money in sports, they can reduce their budget in healthcare. Because prevention is better than cure. If you are a good sportsman with a character building, with a hard working, with a discipline, you will not get aged so early, and you will not get basically go to hospital.
Absolutely.
I have never visited hospital in my life.
So they're spending so
Although
much
I am
money
not
on
a regular player in the sports, but what I mean to say, and the number of players, those who are in sports, they will not have medical expenses.
Right.
So make country stronger, make country healthier, make country proud in the world of nations of the world, and that is where things can happen. Now one more thing, coming back to personal trainers,
Yes.
they are making couple of lakhs.
Right.
Even if they take 10 clients.
Right.
That's all. So there is a huge money provided if you are a right person.
Correct.
If you just get a certificate by way of just writing a certificate, buying somewhere printers, you will not.
A lot of people, they attend one-day workshop and they are the pass out from that certification.
No, because that's wrong. Now what we are requesting the government is every gym should have personal trainer certified by an accredited university.
Right.
Not by fly-by-night operation, somebody distant education, somewhere some name which is not known, accredited, because we have to be very careful. That is what I am dealing with the higher education now. Everywhere you have fraudulent operations across the world, not only in India. Now they don't have an office, still they issue a certificate.
Right.
And that's why they have to check the accreditations, basically, standings, their testimonials, see that those universities should be given the welcome, those institutes should be given an opportunity to establish and train.
Right.
Now a school, for example, Nadeem has an academy. Nadeem is busy because he is an international player, he has so many business opportunities, celebrity, and he doesn't come. Likewise, we have seen number of great sportsmen will not visit their place. Their name sells. That cannot happen.
Right.
Because you are a doctor, if you are leaving the hospital, you have to keep other man as a doctor at least.
Right.
If you don't keep as a doctor,
That's what I tell people is, like, for example, Pratap Reddy, the chairman of Apollo Hospital, he was a surgeon. What he has done is he had a vision. He translated his vision into proper model with the standard maintenance. That's where Apollo is growing. Similarly, as you rightly said, a lot of people, they just give the name, they never visit their academy, then it's going to spoil their
No,
name.
no. Even if they don't visit, fine.
Yeah, I mean,
But what they have to do is,
quality maintenance.
no, they have to have trained, certified people.
That's what.
A ball boy, a marker treating the things,
Yeah,
and marker teaching. These kind of things cannot happen
absolutely.
because it's. I don't want to blame them.
Yeah, yeah,
The issue is because they have to know all this because they are dealing with the human body.
yeah.
Now government has to bring the law. Now, for example, the hospital is there. Without doctor, if they run the nursing home, the health ministry will seize them.
Yeah, unfortunately,
The same thing in sports authority should have a control.
absolutely.
Gym should be seized.
See, similarly,
So our objective is a common objective to conclude.
yeah,
It's a national movement.
yes,
It's a national development because being you and I am sportsmen. Likewise, it's like a ocean,
yes,
and where we have to take each every person irrespective of anything,
yes.
and let us call this as a national movement.
So when all the five fingers will become strong,
Unity.
then only we can create some impact in the
This is
society.
my vision to get this university to this country. Sports, tourism, recreation, and sporting culture, education, research, all these things. And I have realized before I retired from all these things, I thought this let me dedicate to the nation, make as a national movement by doing all these things. That's why I'm trying to meet a lot of people around the country, sportsmen, bureaucrats, ministers, those who are responsible for taking decisions, understanding the sporting culture and the need of the hour.
So we'll conclude this program. Like your vision is to bring all the champions in different areas, whether they are sports people, business people, government, or anybody, to come together to promote Indian sports and wellness industries to next level. Number two, we have to create the personalities of young kids into proper fit and positive people. The third is to create a lot of financial revenues for the unemployed youth, at the same time to create champions for the world and making India as one of the powerful nation in the area of sports.
If you are talking about the business, if you see Google, I don't want to influence you on your thoughts.
Right.
The best return on investment is only from sports.
Yeah.
And because now most of the parents, it's like the whole home is involved. It is not like a olden days. Now young girl or young boy is going to the tournament after the school. They travel, bring back, give the good food, nutrition, wake up in the morning. All those kind of things are done in every home because I have done
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Me and my wife, we
Yeah.
have worked as a professionals. We have worked hard and to do that. And so likewise, every family is getting involved. And now there are two things here. Now, if you look at the rural areas, the people, they do not have this kind of avocation like what they have in city. Their dedication is much more than an urban guy. But they do not have the facility like an urban facility. That is where in
All
the
champions mostly
come from the rural.
rural.
We are my agenda is also to see that rural sports. Rural sports talent identification is also one of our areas. So those people, government is ready to invest. If we wanted to create some fund by the corporate participation, CSR funds, all those kind of things, so to see that, to develop this young talent. Now these people will have a separate program, either by sending them to America or calling them the right people to train them, mentorship here, and we will develop the team under the Sports Asia Foundation. We want to create that kind of a thing to represent the nation.
Thank you. It was very good, nice interaction with you, and I wish India will grow in the areas of
Sure.
sports and wellness. Thank
Yeah.
you.